are so fascinating. Some seeds are whisked away by the wind, while others are carried by creatures to their destinations. Once seeds find their spot, they go through breathtaking transformations, multiplying in number and size, and thriving in even the most unseemingly places. We humans plant seeds too, and with care, we can cultivate and nurture something wonderful. Welcome to Storytime. I am your Storytime reader, Ms. Nikki. Today's read aloud is titled Seeds. The author, Carme Lemniscates, uses seeds as a metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that is used to make a comparison between two things that aren't alike but do have something in common. The author compares seeds that are planted to people. Seeds and people? Not alike, but the author wants to tell us that seeds and people have something in common in the way we grow and change over time. Let's read and learn more. Seeds, written and illustrated by Carme Lemniscates. Seeds carry the power of life, so they embark on amazing adventures. Some take off to distant lands. Others wait to be carried to their destiny. Once they find their place, seeds go through breathtaking transformations. Seeds have the power to multiply in number. One pumpkin seed brings dozens of pumpkins. And each pumpkin brings hundreds of seeds. Seeds have the power to multiply in size. The tiniest seed in the world sprouts a beautiful orchid. Seeds have the power to grow in difficult places. They can thrive despite all odds. When we sow a seed, we take part in this amazing cycle. And we can plant many different kinds of seeds. A smile is a powerful seed. One that can bring joy and friendship. But there are also seeds that bring anger and misunderstanding. When those seeds grow, they pull us apart. Seeds can only bring what they carry. Pumpkin seeds bring pumpkins. Kindness seeds bring kindness. You have lots of seeds, and you get to decide which ones to plant and which ones to help grow. Seeds have whole worlds inside them, just like you. The end. You may not realize this, but you plant seeds every single day in the world. With thoughts you think, words you speak, and actions you take. So, do it all with kindness. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Please join me soon for another story. Until then, keep asking questions and stay curious.